Good day, my dedicated English learners. Today we will learn Unit 19, Present Tenses for the Future. I am doing, I do. Let's do this.
Kelasi zamonni ifodalovchi.
Present Continuous, I am doing.
Quyidagi misolni o'rganing.
Kevinning kelasi hafta uchun rejalashtirgan ishlari.
He is playing tennis on Monday afternoon.
Dushanba kuni tushlikda u tennis o'ynaydi.
He is going to the dentist on Tuesday morning.
Seshanba kuni ertalab u tish shifokoriga boradi.
He is having dinner with Kate on Friday.
Juma kuni u Kate bilan birga tushlik qiladi. Ushbu misollarning barchasida Kevin bu ishlarni qilishga allaqachon qaror qilib, rejalashtirib qo'ygan.
Present Continuous, I am doing.
Bajarilishi allaqachon rejalashtirilib qo'yilgan ish harakatni ko'rsatish uchun qo'llaniladi.
What are you doing on Saturday evening?
Shanba kechqurun nima qilasan?
I'm going to the theater.
Teatrga boraman.
What time is Kathy arriving tomorrow?
Ertaga Katie qaysi payt keladi?
At 10:30. I'm meeting her at the station.
10:30 da. Men uni vokzalda kutib olaman.
Yana misollar.
Steve isn't playing football on Saturday. He's hurt his leg.
Steve shanba kuni futbol o'ynamaydi. U oyog'ini shikastladi.
I'm not working tomorrow, so we can go somewhere.
Ertaga ishlamayman, shuning uchun biror joyga borishimiz mumkin. Bu gaplarda shuningdek
I'm going to do.
ni ham qo'llash mumkin.
What are you going to do on Saturday evening?
Shanba kechqurun nima qilasan? Lekin rejalashtirilgan ish harakatlar uchun
Present Continuous.
ni qo'llash ko'proq maqsadga muvofiq. Shuningdek, Unit 20 ga qarang.
Will.
Rejalashtirilgan ish harakatlar uchun ishlatilmaydi.
What are you doing this evening?
Bugun kechda nima qilasan?
Alex is getting married next month.
Alex kelasi oy uylanayapti. Bundan tashqari,
Present Continuous.
ni biror ish harakatni uni bajarishni bevosita boshlashdan oldin ko'rsatish uchun ham ishlatishingiz mumkin. Bu ayniqsa harakat fe'llari bilan ko'p uchraydi.
Go, come, leave.
Va hokazo.
I'm tired. I'm going to bed now. Good night.
Charchaganman. Men hozir yotaman. Xayrli tun. Jesse, are you ready yet?
Yes, I'm coming.
Jesse, tayyor bo'ldingmi?
Ha, boryapman. Kelasi zamonni ifodalovchi.
Present Simple, I do. Present Simple.
Jadvallar, dasturlar, masalan, jamoat transporti, kino va hokazolar uchun va shu kabilar haqida gapirilganda qo'llaniladi.
The train leaves Plymouth at 11:30 and arrives in London at 14:45.
Poyezd Plymouthdan 11:30 da jo'nab, Londonga 14:45 da yetib keladi.
What time does the film begin?
Film qachon boshlanadi?
It is Friday tomorrow.
Ertaga juma.
Present Simple.
Ni qilinadigan ishlarini jadvalga o'xshab rejalashtirgan odamlarning ish harakatini ko'rsatish uchun qo'llash mumkin.
I start my new job on Monday.
Yangi ishimni dushanba kuni boshlayman.
What time do you finish work tomorrow?
Ertaga ishni nechada tugatasan?
Lekin shaxsiy rejalarni ko'rsatish uchun
Present Continuous.
ko'proq qo'llaniladi.
What time are you meeting in tomorrow?
Ertaga Anna bilan qaysi payt uchrashasan?
Taqqoslang.
Present continuous. Present simple.
What time are you leaving tomorrow? Ertaga qaysi payt jo'naysan? What time does the train leave tomorrow? Ertaga poyezd qaysi payt jo'naydi?
I'm going to the cinema this evening.
Bugun kechqurun kinoga boraman.
The film starts at 8:15 this evening.
Film bugun kechqurun 8:15 da boshlanadi.
Shu bilan unit 19 yakuniga yetdi. Endi odatdagidek Lexica uz saytiga kirib, ushbu unitga tegishli test savollariga javob bering va olgan bilimlaringizni sinab ko'ring.
Har doimgidek like va kommentlaringizni ayamang. Bu kanalimiz rivojiga juda katta yordam beradi. Roliklarimizni do'stlaringiz bilan ulashing, ingliz tilini birgalikda o'rganing. Omad!